All right. So number 4, we're solving for r. Pretty similar to what we did, I think, like 2 days ago, or Friday, I guess you would say. All right, we have r squared equals negative 624. So to solve for r, I have to take the square root of both sides. Okay? That means r equals, do I just say the square root of negative 624? What else do I need to put before that? Or positive, right? Plus or minus. Right? Because when you have a variable squared, that means you're going to get 2 answers, the positive one and the negative one. All right, 624. Let's see if that breaks down at all. I got 624. Anybody think of a number that can go into 624? Ooh, 16. Good. How many times 16 go into 624? 9. Let's try an easier one then. How about 4? 4 goes into 6 once. 2 left over. 4 goes into 22 5 times. 2 left over. 4 goes into 24 6 times. So it's 4 times 156. This one is 4 times... You guys are pretty good at math, huh? 4 goes into 15 how many times? 3. 4 goes into 36. 9 times. Still got the 4 there. Yeah, Tim? What's that? Alright, is there a pair of anything? 4s, yeah. Alright, 13 and 3 has to stay inside. That's the 39. Okay, so our answer is plus or minus. The 4 comes out. What do we do with this negative? I, what's still inside? 39. And that's our answer. Plus or minus 4i square root of 39. Any questions on that one? Yeah.
You know how you broke down to 39?
Because they didn't have a pair, and you only get to come out when you have like a partner that looks like you, right? So the 4 and the 4, they match up, and so they got to come out. But the 13 and the 3, those don't match up, so they just had to stay inside. Yeah, we didn't use the 39, which is why it stayed inside, but the 4 got to go on the outside. Does that make sense? Tim? I know, what are you doing on your computer? Alright, number 12 then. Now we have this complex number here. Complex in that it has a real part, Ms. Fernandez, and an imaginary part. We're going to add them together. That's what the middle symbol says. Add them together. Okay? If we're adding them together, you can only add the things that are similar. Like 6 minus 3i, you can't simplify that anymore. You can't take 3 imaginaries away from reals. But what you can do is combine the real parts. So what's 6 plus 5? 11. And you can combine the imaginary parts. Negative 3i plus 4i is 1i. Good. Now, technically, you can write it in either order, but most people write the real number first, the imaginary number second. Any questions on that one?